Test, test, test. Welcome to the Stormin Norman chocolate fucking A. Shh, you can't laugh. Take two. There are a couple of areas where this comes into play if you're... All right, so cut out this part. And the power bus itself has, fuck this.
It has fuck.
So, gotta read the third paragraph again. If you're only going to limit usage, the talk rep, fuck. And then on either side of the center are the fuck.
That's a lot of help.
Yeah. The left and right zones, which are just over 48. Toy mode. The center zone, which is where the indent for the stand access. And several of the modules we have will... Oh, fuck. Finally, one other concern is that this module... Did it again.
Modules.
I should just read what's up here. 3, 2... Finally, the... Dude!
Finally.
Leave my nuts alone.
Sliding nuts.
Finally, one other concern is that this screws... I'm reading ahead. Looking at my modular grid map, gotta do it again. But being a computer engineer with almost 40 years of experience, I'm overconfident. Fucking A! Jesus, where the fuck are you going? I have another module to install here.
I need a drink. I was gonna open the door slightly and yell at Mom to bring me something.
Why do you need a drink? This is only gonna take another 10 minutes.
Okay.
All right. So now I gotta do this one again.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do, because you fucked up halfway through the last sentence.
They probably won't hear that unless they're wearing headphones.
Are you kidding?
Unless they're wearing headphones.
This thing went into the red. All right.
What?
Shh. 3, 2,
1.
I purposely did that quietly so you wouldn't hear that.
Come on, slide your nuts.
There, that's all there is to it. Now, if I wanted to be very careful and conscious... Fuck.
Nuts.
Yeah, I think this should just be sped up. This part is going to be sped up, so it doesn't matter what I say. Or the noises that you make, although you will be recorded.
ASMR installing modules in the rack. I feel like people would love these noises. Especially since the mic is literally right next to it.
I don't know which screws are where. It's a good thing this is sped up.
Can you slide your nuts right?
Why does it keep moving? You know, it's not supposed to be in this video. Oh, you know what I did? Fuck.
Probably a lot of things.
Okay, we gotta go back and redo the talent.
Wow.
As part of the audio flow, VCF's...
You put it down there.
Dude, fuck! Why would you point? Why don't you just pick it up and hand it to me?
Because I don't...
I can't see you, I'm reading.
Well, you put it there, not me.
Which is where you orient the cable that gets connected.
It also has a
Dude, fuck!
It's also hot.
Fucking A, why would you talk in the middle of this?
Because that was the part that would be sped up, and 2, that's the only one that I've seen that's just stuck, which is probably the red shit, which you didn't mention.
Didn't need to. Nobody gives a fuck. Because we don't have no idea what this is for, I'm not gonna talk about it.
You did talk about it. You said
No, I said it's a height thing. That's it. It's a physical limitation, not another cooler. Now I've got to do this again.
Just mention it.
Why?
Because it's interesting. How many?
Oh, Jesus Christ. It's a lock nut kind of thing.
Yeah, just because it's not interesting to you.
Shh.
Not interesting
3, 2. We're in a half toy boat. That's it. Chocolate. Each module in their own Fuck. All right, so I'm gonna go from.
You're gonna.
Okay, so I'm gonna do something first. Today we're going to finish from the bottom rack. Fucking A, God. Stop. No. It can't be up there. We'll put the mutant brain flush left, adding it to the chaos. God damn it.
Adding to the chaos. That's not wrong.
And adding to the chaos of this rack mentioned previously. Alright, so we'll do this again. Missed it by that much. Dude.
L.
Dude. What the L? You're just throwing a wrench into these works.
I actually visibly cringed at that.
Driving me nuts. Don't screw it up, or I'm gonna have to bolt.
No.
You started it.
You did not. What is this?
You're talking.
You got the
Quiet on the set.
You got the pot on the ground.
Quiet on the set. The current version is the fuck.
The current perversion.
Ironically, this module has quiet.
You need to mention the PCB too, because that's fancy.
Ooh, fancy.
Yeah. The camera's about to shut off.
Why? Let me know when it does.
See how hot it is.
Dude.
Oh, it's not that hot.
It's not what you can feel, it's what it...
No, it said danger. This screen compartment is hot. Do not touch.
Okay.
Ohm. It's ohm. The angle's wrong.
Fucking A! Jesus, Henry Christ!
The angle's wrong.
I don't know if it really matters.
It does.
Okay, now I gotta do it again.
Yeah.
Fuck! How was it wrong?
Because you have to, you don't hold it at an angle, you hold it flat.
Like that. That's flat.
Still at there you go. See?
Why does it matter?
Because it looks like shit if you don't do that.
Gotta do it again.
Yep.
Driving me to drink.
You didn't fix anything the second time around.
Because there are multiple different angles. There's like 6 different angles you could be talking about, and you weren't specific. This is the first fucking A. Fuck a duck. Alright, let's see if I can do this. Why aren't you going in, you dog? Why are you making noise?
Because it's cool.
One of its main purposes... is illuminating. Ergo, the data. I fucked that up. One of its main purposes... Fuck! I should probably fix that. Or just remember that it's fucked up.
Fix what?
One of its main purposes of the module is to support. It's not good English. Thought there was a pen in here. As mentioned, here on the back side or on the inside is the micro SD card, which kind of looks like it's missing right now. And this is required to be in the module at all times because it contains calibration information and user settings. So it should never be taken out, even in jest. Using the local option raises the 12-volt power consumption from 100 milliamps to 200 milliamps to a fucking A. Additionally, the data can be run off of either the rack's 5-volt rail or develop. What?
So you're not gonna.
We've already unboxed one. We've already unboxed the pan mix.
Here's the second pan mix.
Oh, fuck.
Which will go on this side, which he's gonna get into now.
No, I'm not going to get into it
Yeah,
now.
you
There's
are.
more to go on. You're out of order. You're out of order. What's bad? I need to see it. What are you doing? Are you in my light?
No. What's that?
Dude, why are you pointing at shit?
What are
What are you talking about? What?
What are these?
It's a screw. Fucking A. They all have screws.
They don't look like screws. They look like weird plastic shits.
They're plastic shits. Where did you go? are you doing? First, we have the Behringer Go Mobile 2x140 model with a pair of 3U 140 pi.
Behringer.
Yeah, but you also coughed in the middle of it. On the back side is a power connector. Did you do this?
No. What?
Fucking A.
I didn't do that.
I gotta start over again.
I should keep that in.
No.
That was fun. That was great.
All right.
You're gonna.
The Endorphins Black Noir.
Wait. By
Fucking A! Jesus!
4 HP?
Yes! It's 4 HP bigger than any other module that's in there.
Oh. Sort of.
Fuck. And we'll get to them possibly in a 5th video once the rack is complete. Thanks for watching.
Yay.
You know, what you do when you do that is
That'd be funny.
you change the focus, because now it's focusing up here rather than down here.
That's good.